Hello, welcome everybody to Vani Reads Love Tarot. This reading is for person on your mind. So take only what resonates. The reading is for all signs. And before we move forward, remember to subscribe to my channel and like my video. And if you want your private readings, you can reach me at my email address. The information is in the bio. So that's what you need for reaching to me. So the information is there. So if you need your private readings, and remember to like my video. Thank you for watching so this far. And let's begin the reading. So the person on your mind, what are the feelings of the person on my collective's mind, my viewer's mind? Hoping, healing, wishing upon a star. Going through, been through a loss, coming back into stability and power. So if there has been delays because of indecision, so now thinking about this connection, waiting and hoping for results, starting a new beginning, taking a leap of faith, and about this union. And realignment is happening, balancing is happening in the relationship, and healing is happening in the relationship. There is a victory that's going to happen towards the 10 of cups. So a happy successful relationship is going to happen. So victory is on the cards, the 6 of wands here. And thinking long and hard about this connection. So the hermit is here. So right now not taking action, so thinking a lot, that's why not taking action towards this relationship. But there is desire, there is thinking about connecting in this connection, and building with this connection. There could also be a third party in the connection, in the mix. So attractive towards the feminine. The feminine is a very attractive person in this connection, and attractive towards this feminine is this masculine. The masculine is very attractive is very attracted towards the feminine, and upset because of a loss. Upset, somebody, one of you or both of you have been upset about loss that has recently happened in your life. And so thinking very deeply about this connection. So whatever that has happened between you two, the person is thinking very deeply about this connection, and hoping for better life, better situation in this connection, hoping for a new beginning in this connection, hoping for healing to happen and a new beginning to happen. The ace of wands here and the ace of cups here. So waiting for a new beginning, a new growth to happen, a new intention to be set, a new stability to happen, and passionate about this connection, passionate about this new union, about this new relationship, this new beginning. So this is what's on the cards. And if there have been fears or lack of confidence, so there is an emotional balance that's coming. Watching, stalking from a distance, and but wants to communicate, come forward and communicate fast about this connection. There is karmic justice happening about this stability to happen, or stability that was between you two. There is a marriage, or there is a relationship that is like marriage. So this is karmic, this is divine, this is, there is justice to happen in this connection. There is a balance to be striked. There is a decision to be made for balance to happen in this connection. Balance has to be striked in this connection, and there is priorities being juggled here. There is need for balance in this connection. There is moving away from conflicts and coming to relief and to calmer waters. About this stability, about the stability with this person, with you, about providing in this connection, about a marriage, about committed relationship. There is destined decisions to be made. There is karmic balancing happening. There is things happening which are destined by nature, and so plans are being made. Third party is being released. There was suffering in the relationship. There is an end coming to the suffering, and healing is happening. There is going to be balanced give and take in the relationship, like a committed relationship, and a family like connection is to happen. There is attraction for you. There is confidence in the self worth. There is commitment to happen, which is being manifested. There is committed relationship to be happening, which is being manifested by this person. There is a problem with the workplace, which is being held secret. There is need for trust. There is contemplation happening. There is healing happening. There is a phase going on where the blessings are there but are not ready, but the person is not ready to be receiving the blessings. So there is the fear to be released, and so that you're able to receive the blessings that are being offered to you. There's this person sitting here, and there's the cup of blessings being offered to the person, but the person is not aware because they're so busy ruminating about the past and missing what's not there. So there has to be mindset change that's required. There's required to be energy shifting. There's need for faith. There's divine, about this divine union, about this relationship, the love relationship. There needs to be consistency in the relationships for the wish fulfillment to happen. And if there has been betrayals, and because of that the fights have been there because of a karmic connection, so the message is there is need for strength, gaining strength in the relationship, and so therefore a divine intervention is coming for you all. And if there are fears because of the past connections, because of the past struggles, so you have to move on from the loss mindset, from the scarcity, from the heartbreak. And if you have been cheating or lying or being deceptive or hiding things, so you have to release that pattern, see things differently, act differently, be differently. If there has been conflicts about the connection moving forward, offering a connection, about offering a relationship to the feminine or the person who is loving towards you, or you have a relationship with, but there have been conflicts, so you're not able to offer your relationship to the person, offer a connection to the person. So that cycle is ending and a new cycle is beginning. So conflicts are being resolved, and negative cycle is being closed out, and progress is being made. So a new beginning is on the cards, and abundance is on the cards, and a new manifestation is happening. You have had a lot of burdens lately, and so this is the end of your burdens. A past relationship that you know about there has to be a reunion, or a past relationship that you know about with a masculine, or you are the masculine, you're walking away from that relationship because it was a burdensome relationship. and it was not aligned for you, it was not the correct relationship for you. So there is truth and clarity for you. You are now thinking with clarity, and that clarity is your power. So you are very logical and rational about this connection from your past, and so you decided to walk away from that connection, because that connection was bringing you a lot of burden and suffering. So you were not happy with that connection. You are letting go of that relationship. You're not clinging to it anymore. And because you took that decision, because you made that choice, there is a happy surprise in love waiting for you. There is a new beginning for you. The rejection, the loss, the suffering, the regrets that you had about the third party, about your love being in third party, or there being third party interferences. So that situation is shifting fast, and sudden changes will happen in this connection. And so you realize that there is a third party, and the third party needs to be released. So because you made that decision, there is happiness coming to you. There is the sun energy. There is new hope, new strength coming to you, new joy, new abundance coming to you. Your dream life, your passion, your relationship, which you dream of, which you which you want to create. There is a new growth towards that relationship, new manifestation happening. And this is the clarity, the truth that you needed about your connection. So this is what I see for you from the tarot. These are your messages from the tarot. Remember to like my video and subscribe to my channel. And that's my message in between for you. Let's see what the oracle says for y'all. Let's see. So what are the messages for? I will be taking messages from this oracle deck, and then I will be taking a guidance message for y'all from this wisdom deck, and then I will be taking an angel card for you, angel message card about this relationship guidance for you. Accurately whatever comes out, that will be the message for you about this connection, what you need to do about this connection. So I will get that in a while. So let's see the message about this connection. So for my collective, what's the messages for the person on my viewer's mind? For my collective, what's the message? There was deceptive behavior in the past about this connection. There was cheating, there was lying, there was separation because of that, there was heartbreaks because of that. So there is a cutting down in that pattern. There is a stop being put at that pattern. So because of that heartbreak, that deceptive behavior, that lying, that manipulative behavior, there has been separation in the connection. So there is a decision to stop that pattern, which is bringing separation between you all. And there is a clarity and truth happening. There has been silent treatment in the connection. So that pattern is being stopped now. And there is clarity and truth. There is revelations happening, new realizations happening, new signs coming to light. And there is a desire for honor and protection in this relationship. There is a determination to do things the right way, because this connection is a soulmate connection. There is a soul connection, partnership, soul contract, life partner kind of relationship. This is not just any relationship. This is soulmates connection for you all. And there is a higher commitment card, a marriage relationship card here. This is about engagement ring, higher commitment, eternity, partnership and union, completion. So this is a forever relationship kind of a relationship. This is not just a random connection. So there is healing happening in this connection, and so repairs are being made in the connection. There is growth coming for this connection, and there is more stability coming for this connection, because the past patterns which were negative are being stopped right now. So this is what I see for you. But this process will this is a process that's happening, so it will take time. You have to be patient with this process. And let's see, from the wisdom deck, I have some messages for you all. What are the messages for my collective about the person on my collective's mind? What are the messages for this relationship? Some cards fell. Um, so, in this connection, the guidance message is uh, the masculine is realizing there's a higher power, and in the here and now, he's realizing his higher power, and he is connecting with his higher power, the higher self, God self, and realizing who is not his soulmate, and there is a regeneration happening. He's realizing who is his soulmate and who is not his soulmate. So he's realizing, he's making a choice. The divine masculine is making a choice and realizing who is not his soulmate, and so he's becoming clear about who will be his soulmate after he realizes and becomes clear on who is his soulmate. So that's the choice he's making at the moment, in the here and now. So this clarity is of utmost importance because this decides what the future connection will be after he finds out about what's not meant for him. So after he finds out what's not meant for him, what he does find out is for him, is the soulmate connection for him. There is a happy card here. There is happiness for you all. So the next connection will be happy for you all. Once you find out what connection is not meant for the divine masculine, so this is the clarity you needed. The happiness that's coming in the next connection is destined. So this is the message from the guidance wisdom deck. And let's see the angel messages from this deck. So what are the messages for my collective, the person on my viewer's mind? So what are the messages for the collective? Pay attention to red flags. Know the warning signs of what an unhealthy connection looks like. Twin flame journey. This person is your mirror soul. This is why this connection feels so sacred to you. So this message is definitely for the twin flames, the divine masculine, the divine feminine. And so you have to pay attention to red flags, know the warning signs of what an unhealthy connection looks like, so that you know what a healthy connection looks like. So know the difference for this connection to be successful, for to manifest successfully. These are your messages. And what else? Patience. So some things still need to be dealt with for this connection to manifest. Pay attention to signs. The synchronicities you have been noticing are not coincidences. Unrequited feelings. There is not enough love to keep this relationship going in a healthy way. So you have to invest more in the connection so that the relationship feels healthy for both parties. So the message for that to happen is be present. You will attract love by enjoying your life as it is, and wherever you are, be all there. So if you're not present in your connection, you cannot have a happy, successful, fulfilling connection with anybody. So in this twin flame connection, in this relationship, you have to be present with the person so that you can offer your all, and you can offer your best to the relationship. So these are your messages. Claim this, and stay tuned for more readings, and like my video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and comment what you felt about this reading. Comment what kind of readings you want. Comment anything you felt during the reading. And I'll be back with more readings. Thank you for watching. Stay happy and stay aligned.